Hello everyone, and welcome back to our tutorial guide for setting up Banalytics video management software for your video surveillance system. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through setting up local file storage for your video surveillance system using Banalytics software. Let's get started. First things first, ensure you have a Banalytics server set up. If you're setting up a DIY video surveillance system, file storage management is one crucial aspect you shouldn't overlook. Effective file storage is the backbone of any surveillance system. It ensures that all your recordings are organized and easily accessible. With Banalytics, you can set up local file storage to store recordings directly on your server or PC. This not only provides faster access to your footage, but also enhances security and reliability. Let's begin the setup process. Click the plus button next to the File Storage submenu. A configuration window will appear. Let's look closer at the configuration options. Restart on failure. This option lets you define how the system handles errors. You can choose from Stop on failure, immediately, 10, 30 seconds, or 1 minute. Title. Name your file storage. This name will be used as the folder name in the file system. File storage provider. Banalytics supports only the local file system as a storage provider. Path. Specify the path to the target folder. Right-click to add a new folder or delete an existing one. Access mode to the storage. Choose Read, Write, Delete for an automated cleanup rule, which is highly recommended for managing storage efficiently. Limit by. Define storage capacity limits by size, time, hours, or object count. You can also select No Limit to use the full storage capacity. Cleanup period. This is the schedule for the cleanup job, which verifies whether the storage limit has been reached and, if so, cleans it up. Limit level. Choose the folder hierarchy level to which the storage limit will be applied from 0 root folder to 10 levels deep. If I set up one for the folder demo file storage, the capacity limit of 1024 megabytes will be applied to each subfolder. The limit value measures correspond to your chosen option for limiting storage capacity. Limiting storage size means that the value is measured in megabytes, and limiting recording time means that it is measured in hours. Backup files instead of removing. Here, you can specify a reference to another file storage to move recordings during cleanup instead of deleting them. Enable upload and move enabled. These options allow the restructuring of files and folders within the storage and their uploading. UI Safe Operations. Enable this to require confirmation for move and delete operations, preventing accidental actions. Enable UI File Cache. Cache viewed files in the browser's memory for faster playback. You will see such files highlighted in green. UI File Cache TTL. Set the time period in minutes for how long cached files remain in the browser's memory. Let's now configure saving video to file storage. For example, I'll check who approaches my laptop in my absence. Add a motion recording task along with motion detection to do this. Together, these two tasks will save videos upon motion detection. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay secure with Banalytics.